Go.
Good afternoon, sir,
Good
ma'am, and
afternoon,
beloved
sir,
panelists. Good
ma'am,
afternoon.
to our beloved panelists. Good afternoon.
Case study presentation. Mobile platform as an alternative monitoring solution for student transaction. Keywords: technology, monitoring, automation, mobile platform, and QR code. The abstract of the study mobile platform as an alternative monitoring solution for student transaction is massive effects of smartphones as vital tools in a variety of fields, usefulness of smartphones for students transaction, automated monitoring system, QR code for verification. Students are more likely to be familiar with the system. They are considered to be the early adopters of innovative technologies for the younger generation. It is useful to track the activities of students while learning. Monitoring the transaction of students is become a concern with the ever-growing range of resources. The code along with the application identification of the student's identity will be used to verify students' transaction. The findings of this study. It's hard for the SMCC staff to monitor each student activities. It will take a long period of time for them to identify who and what is. Manual transaction can be risky. Mobile platform can be considered as strategy for an easier and faster transaction. This is one of the many reasons why tracking early transaction of each student manually may require a long period of time. It also it is also possible to change information unintentionally, which can result in inconsistency in data entry or writing instruction. Education is no expectation. Given this inevitable pandemic, manual transaction can be risky, like filling out with the same pen or like touching the same mouse and keyboard, since some students can be unhygienic. This study will discuss about mobile platform as an alternative monitoring solution for student transaction is mobile platform implementation via QR code, making QR code by GSUT account, printing QR codes individually to students. QR code can be very accessible to everyone. QR code, short for Quick Response Code, is a trademark for a type of matrix barcode or two-dimensional barcode, which was developed in Japan for the automotive industry. With this mobile platform implementation, this will help both students and staff to make things easier and faster. The students will just scan their respective QR codes and it will automatically record their transactions. And this will also decrease the rate of risk from the pandemic since the students will use their own mobile phones. Conceptual framework. Student click to scan code receive admin admin send to server. Next. This flowchart can see the concept of this study. The flowchart This flowchart has a start, QR code, scan, continue, categories, mark transaction, storage, eh, analysis, generate, result, end. Will individually print the QR codes for the students to scan it with mobile phones. Then, once it is scanned, a portal will show up and the students will first tap the arrival button and the categories of their choice of which department they will have a transaction with will follow. And the time they arrive and the department will close, I choose, will be recorded automatically. After the transaction, they have to scan the QR code button again to tap the departure button and then departure time will be recorded also. And the outcome of this study or conclusion is necessary to keep up with